What's this for?
That has given me a mega monster idea! Oh, I love shoe boxes. They keep your shoes tidy, can hold all your crayons, and you can pretend they're eating like nom, 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 nom. And because we have a shoe box, let's make a magnificent monster in a hutch.
As well as the empty shoebox, we'll need paper, fake fur, card, stickers, shredded paper, and paint. First, we need to cut a rectangle from the shoebox lid. Murphy, would you be so kind as to use your monster magic?
Coming right up.
Ask a grown-up to do this part for you.
Now, paint the box any colour you like. I think a beautiful brown wood colour would look perfect. Painty, painty, monster painty! Hey, 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 hey!
While the shoebox hutch is drying, let's scrunch up some paper.
Oh, yeah!
Excellent scrunching, Murphy. And now we glue on a piece of fake fur.
Sticky, sticky, stick!
Let's give the monster a sticker eye. You can always use circles of paper and give your monster as many eyes as you like.
Aye, aye, Rebecca! And don't forget, a cheeky monster tongue!
You sure have a taste for makes. Now, to keep our monster safely inside the hutch, we need to add some bars.
Ooh, I think we need a little help. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, it's the tiny helpers. Thanks, tiny helpers.
Thank you.
They've stuck on strips of grey paper inside the box lid for bars. Now let's add some shredded paper for bedding. And some tasty monster food because little monsters get hungry.
Yeah, just like big monsters.
Pop the monster in its hutch.
Ah, the baby monster's new home.
And look at that! Our monster in our hutch is all finished. Why don't you make one too?